Welcome to the Rosetta Enterprise Procure to Pay suite. Rosetta Enterprise Procure to Pay suite provides you with best practice processes that can be used in any industry. The modules included are purchasing, inventory, accounts payable, and general ledger. The purchasing aspect of the procure-to-pay process allows you to create purchase requisitions, assign and manage buyer workloads, canvas items from supplier quotations, create purchase orders, perform approvals, while continuously tracking supplier deliveries. In the inventory side, you can accurately define the goods and services to be purchased in the item master, receive and account for supplier deliveries, perform other inventory transactions while continuously managing your item stock levels and availability in all warehouse locations. The financial aspect include accounts payable and general ledger functions where you can easily create and match AP invoices to receipt transactions, create payment to suppliers, generate journal entries from transactions, and being able to generate financial reports such as AP invoice staging and other reports keeping you up to date with the company's financial status. The Rosetta Enterprise system works with any web browser. On this example, the purchaser will log in to make a new order. The purchasing module allows you to easily create purchase requisitions, process supplier quotations, and auto-create purchase orders. This provides an efficient purchasing process where all items purchased are tracked from the PR with reference to the selected supplier quotation from the canvas. The following shows that purchase order number 4 has been generated from the purchase request for 10 units of microwave ovens. Every transaction in Rosetta Enterprise features the use of railroad tracks that highlights the status of where you are in each transaction. You can easily submit the PO for approval by clicking the Awaiting Approval status on the railroad track. You can check the approval status of your PO by clicking the History button. Once the PO is submitted for approval, the approver is immediately notified via email. The approval workflow screen allows the approver to quickly view and approve purchasing documents. The following shows the approver viewing and approving the purchase order. You also have an option to put a note on the PO. With the approved PO, you can easily generate the purchase report by clicking the Request button. The purchase order report parameter allows you to generate the report in different formats. These are Excel, PDF, HTML, or text. The following shows the generated purchase order report with the same details captured from the purchase order created. In the inventory module, the receiving screen allows you to process supplier deliveries. The following shows that we have received the full purchase order quantity of ovens into our inventory. With a click of a button, you can create a match AP invoice from the receipt transaction created. The following shows that AP invoice number 5 was generated and matched to receipt number 12. The Rosetta Enterprise Inventory module has an intensive inquiry feature where you can view your item quantities for each warehouse, location, lot, status, serial, and other inventory control points. The following shows that microwave ovens have 10 units available in the main warehouse and it came from the inventory receipt transaction number 12. The warehouse inventory report can also be generated to view item quantities in your warehouse. With the Accounts Payable module, you can create AP invoices that are matched to inventory receipts. This ensures that you only pay for items that you have already received. The following shows AP invoice number 5 was generated and matched with receipt number 12. The invoice amount of $15,000 is based on the item cost with the input BAD automatically computed. The AP invoice report shows you the details of the invoice created. You can also make payments to one or several invoices using the payment screen. The example shows that you have paid the full invoice amount to the supplier and the status of the invoice has been updated to fully paid. Every transaction in Rosetta Enterprise generates corresponding journal entries. The following module ledger inquiry shows you the journal entries generated from the accounts payable transactions created earlier. In the General Ledger module, you can generate financial statements such as trial balance, balance sheet, and other financial reports. Rosetta Enterprise Procure to Pay suite provides the following benefits. Improved procurement traceability with canvassing. Streamline approval process with online approval workflow. Get real-time visibility on inventory supply, demand, and availability. Save time by effortlessly generating journal entries from transactions. Generate up-to-date financial statements. Thank you.